We are here at the Hilton Garden Inn, Louisville, Northeast, and just did a ProCentric basic install. So the television's going to power up at a volume level of 14, turn on to the weather channel. Once that logo fades off screen, you'll get a little help button or help icon that'll pop up and say, hey, if you want to look at the TV guide, press the guide button on your remote control. So if we do that, the guide comes up. I can channel up and down. Using the channel up and down, basically it'll go a page at a time. If I want to go specifically one channel at a time, I use the arrow button on the remote control and pick the channel I want to tune to. That's pretty much it. This guide is set to go out 30 hours in advance, so there's enough information to notify your guests. It'll refresh every night at midnight and tell you what's coming on for the upcoming 30 hours.